Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you and we are always smiling. I know some of you are like, yo, what's up with the vlogs? Have you stopped, vlogging? I did do a live where I said I'm taking about 2 weeks away from YouTube, and during that time I have been making like a lot of plans. Because for example, vlogging, you don't just get up and just go somewhere. I've been planning like what I'm going to do for this summer that people are going to be appreciative of. But not just that, for myself as well, because I'm a travel junkie. And even exceeding the summer, I've been thinking of places that I want to go as a person, and I'm definitely going to take you guys, because you guys have become like my travel family. But tonight was supposed to be a vlog where I take Judah's little sister out to Dave & Buster's. Not Dave & Buster's. We don't have a Dave & Buster's in Jamaica, guys, but we have Coco Jams, which, it's small in Dave & Buster's, but it will do. Unfortunately, I did get some discounted tickets where they are not effective after 8 p.m. Judah being late as she is right now is 7:57. She was supposed to be here from 6, so classic Judah. But I don't know, man. It's gonna be tough because it's Saturday night after 8 p.m. Like, what can I do, or what can we do with a 4-year-old in Kingston? It's gonna be tough, but whatever, guys. We're gonna take you wherever we're taking you, and yeah, this summer's gonna be lit. Just got to Coco Jams, and if you guys can see, like, the kids down there having some birthday party or something of the sort. As I told you guys, it's not gonna work out in terms of the discount, but Judah got money, she rich, so she paying for all of us. So let me show you guys who's here. Another big kid right there. Another big kid right there. Where's the kid? Where's the baby? She gone quiet now. Get quiet shit.
Pico? Which one I want to
Donation. Alright guys, so we're pretty much in here. This is the basic setup. That's what I want to play. I really want to play what they call it, air hockey. Oh man, I'm about to school some people on that really quick. But then we got some other stuff there. Bro, there's a lot of kids in here. It's like so many children.
Get it. Move it this way, baby. Yeah.
Get it, buddy.
Yeah. Get it, girl. Hey, there we go.
Come on, man. Stick that tongue out.
No, it's not hurting.
It's not working?
No.
Oh, no. Oh, no. Go through, David. Show them say again. Strong. Strong.
Get it, Destiny. Get it.
Why aren't you smiling?
I'm saying.
She's like. Remind me of Jamaican taxi. Load up. Well load up.
Yeah. Because I don't know things and I like that. So yes. Get it, girl.
She about to go over the jungle. Where's she going?
She's gone. She's gonna come over there.
Oh, there she is. I see her right there. This is where you want to be, huh?
think you can win? Huh? I ain't fussing on him out. this. So Judah's over there rooting for that girl because she's winning. But I got my money on her. 100%. Oh, say what? 7. The game done? Okay. Oh, they're gonna play again? They're gonna play again? Oh, she ready, she's playing. Yeah, she's gonna play again. Yo, that kid got a lot of tokens, so we're gonna be here for the whole night.
It's 6-1. Steven is winning, guys. But you go, Judah. Put your all in it, girl. Mommy, holding me back. Yeah. How you feel, champ?
Like regular.
Like regular.
Huh?
No, he has to. You have to. Are you ready, Destiny? You're excited? That's our game face, guys. That's our game face. Hey, come in, baby. Come in. It's still gonna go that fast, no matter how. Oh yes! Woo! literally not moving. High five! Hey! She's like, whoa! Good job! If you get 2 more points, you win the game. I love this. Look at your face. Yeah. I was going down there though. Game face. How you feel? Destiny's winning. How you feel over there? Woo! 1 more point and you win. No? Alright. Go, baby. Oh, no. Destiny, 1 more to win him, maybe. 1 more. Who's it gonna be? Is it Destiny? Or is it Steven? Get it, girl. Look at that focus. Oh, yes! Good job. I feel over there, loser. Same.
Feels fantastic. Fantastic Four. As I like to say, next opponent, same treatment. Let's do this.
I got lucky. I'm just now Davine almost with my ass, but I did it. I came through. Yo, this up late, sorry? Oh man.
This one? No, it's not. Yeah, she drives that guy how I do in games. Take your time, baby, take your time. See what helpers there, no? Hold on, baby, let Steven help you. Take your time.
Oh, this Roadhog. This game is not designed to make anybody win. but we're gonna try.
You should try for this green
I'll
snake.
send this one on the blue teddy bear right there for her.
you should try.
No, Brazilian rice is not going to allow her to have a snake. No.
What's the easiest bet? Oh my god, wait, baby, wait.
Okay.
We'll go to that green teddy bear.
Hold on, back it up.
Right there. Right here. Well there. Look at that. Just like that, we lost 4 goddamn.
So Judah wanted to play air hockey again. I know she wants the winning side.
Even though I'm losing, but
But any side with that one. She wants the winning puck too. So Judah this. That's pretty awesome. Judah and Devin are gonna play now.
that was a better match this time, guys. Like,
Hold on to this.
I came
I
close
gave her
enough.
2 points.
Can go over here, stand next to me.
Play?
Yeah, score point on yourself, babes. Oh my god. Okay, sorry, baby.
Pay attention to your girlfriend.
Yeah. That been up in the playpen.
So it was pretty fun, but we're going to Tutti Frutti because that's what my date requested. You trying to get in? This one?
No. You're getting a little pink cup because, yeah, you know you're not going to eat that off. Barbican. I'm good.
What flavor?
You want the birthday cake?
Where's the birthday? No, not that one.
You want pecan cream?
What?
How is it? So, it's the end of the night and we left the kids with the helper, so.
You can do Sanani or godmom.
I'm just Devin, you know I'm messing. But we're going to Wendy's because I'm super hungry right now, and this is where we're gonna end the vlog. Remember these 3 things, guys?
Love, nature, adaptation. Keep the link.
All I am is a man.